One of the ancient recipe of 300 years old.
For me, it was the worst chicken rice.
I don't know what I was expecting really.
Welcome to my 5 minutes Thai food, your passport to amazing world of Thai cuisine. I'll bring you quick and delicious Thai food experience in under 5 minutes. So join me as we explore vibrant market, local stalls and authentic Thai kitchens and discover the wonder of Thai food, all in just 5 minutes. Alright guys, today I'm at Nil Khao Mok Gai, which is one of the ancient recipe of 300 years old or older, and they never change one bit. They actually do proper Khao Mok Gai. They are really special way to do it, and you can smell all the herbs because the color in the rice. In the other place sometimes they use cumin to make it yellow, but this one they don't. They actually just use all the herbs to make the colors, and you can smell it from the rice. I will be joining by Gary and Jim, and we'll see how the food here are.
For me, it was the worst chicken rice I've ever had. It's not just about the food was great. Like the Khao Mok Gai was amazing, perfect. If you like ask me everything I want from a Khao Mok Gai, that it's all there. But it's the whole experience. Me and Nin is so friendly. The fact it's a 300-year-old recipe from Ayutthaya and they use the same recipe today that they did back then. The beef skewers were amazing. The fact we're just underneath a bridge randomly that I've never seen before. And trust me, I drive over this bridge probably 3 times a week and I've never thought to even come down here. So Dan is the best local guide in the whole of Bangkok, not just for food but for everything.
If you come to this place, it's not just Khao Mok Gai. You have to try this barbecue as well. And this is what we have, and we got Jim here as well. Hi Jim.
It looks incredible. Mate, I don't know what I was expecting really, but as soon as I came down the stairs and saw the taxi, I knew it was going to be a good place. These guys and students, they know where to eat, they know what's tasty, they know what's cheap. And honestly, for me, I thought it was going to be another Khao Mok Gai, but my empty plate says it all. I think it was the shallots, the way, whatever they cooked the shallots in, but the chicken was moist, it was soft, the whole dish was delicious, the skewers were lovely, and to top it all off, this bowl of beef noodles here was absolutely stunning. A slight bit of sweetness, but delicious, delicious, delicious.
I haven't eaten yet, but I just put my spoon into chicken and it's just that soft, if you can see that. You don't need to push hard and the chicken just loose from the bones. That's how they do a really well stuffed chicken underneath the rice. As you heard from Jimmy and Gary, they both love it and I cannot say anymore. I couldn't agree more with them. The rice is good, the chicken is wonderful. They actually stuff the chicken underneath the rice. Exactly the name of the dish, which is Khao Mok Gai. Mok, it means stuff. Some of the place when you go, you might not find them stuff the chicken, but they boil chicken. So this is a good place. What more can I say? Again, 10 out of 10. Right now she's really busy. We asked for the bill, but she just doesn't have time to write the bill for us. She's been jumping around, you know, get the rice, go for the soup, and look after the other customers. So really busy. One of the places that you definitely should check it out if you come by this area, which is not far from Quang Lang. You can just walk here maybe 10 minutes and then you can check out some of the community in this area, like the Royal Barge Museum is right there. So it's all good, just check it out.